Dun dun dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today is a GPD Win4, the newest gaming handheld from GPD, and today I'm going to have a very quick unboxing video about this latest gaming handheld and have a very quick talk on the basic specification about this model. So next I'm going to hands-on it and open it. So here is the box. It's GPD golden print logo, and here is the buttons, direction buttons design. And this time this box has a very nice and high-end design. As we can see, check it from this angle, it's have a lines and the leather material paper in the other side of the book, so we can find the Win4 model name, and very comfortable and high-end. A lot of lines. It's kind of like the cloud, or just like the hair. So it's very nice and especially from the box. And this time here we have the Win4 32GB RAM plus 1T GB ROM and black edition. And the next, let's open it and check what's inside this box. So here, okay, we open it. Here is the it's the online community, and the QR code. You can scan it to join the special group and get some discount or vouchers from the groups. And here is some activities to provide. And here is the QC parsed card. Yes. And also here, it's a paper to cover the product. Here, it's the quality innovation extreme service and website GPD HQ. And now, the GPD in front of us. Here is the product, and before we check gaming handheld, let's check the accessories first. Here, provide a sling, Type C to Type C cable. Let's go. Here, let's open it to the other side. So this is a charger. 65-watt charger, and this time for this device it's around 600 grams, but provide 45.62 watt hours battery capacity. And next, here the screen protector. Next, let's check the gaming handheld. Put on step by step first. So here, it's the gaming handheld. Actions speak louder than words. And this is a sentence to cover the device. Here on this device we find another box, very small and very slim. It's the user manual. This is the user manual for GPD4. And let's put it aside as well. And now, as we can see, the gaming device is in handheld. Is front of us. It's black. It's GPD. And when hand is on my hand, I can feel that it's not so heavy. So it's 598 grams. That's from the official website. And as I hands on and I'm feeling it, I will say that for GPD, the design language is very I would say normal or average, because it's not so attractive compared to other devices. It's just a very common face, not like other devices, but the quality I would say is good. And here, like this, the silver edge is through all of the body, and also here L1 buttons are transparent, and also here this is a special, I think it's for the fingerprint to unlock the device. So this is pretty cool. And also here, I think this is a portable mouse. Yeah, it's portable mouse to control. So these two features are really special compared to other devices, and also the buttons, and also the design. It's not so attractive, but it's very looks so high end. And from font, we can find that the left, right joysticks, direction buttons, and the ABUXY buttons. Here is the start buttons and the select buttons. It's a mouse and a fingerprint. And we can go to this side to check the USB 3.5mm, USB 4, and the power buttons and the volume buttons. Here is a air in out, air outlet. Here is the another button. These two buttons are really very useful, because you can customize the function of these two buttons. So this is another special features from the GPD4. Here, fingerprint. Here, through here, fingerprint. Here is the portable mouse, and here is the customized key buttons. And here is the charging dot, Type-C charging dot. And yeah, so this is the basic specification about the device. And here now is our another special features. When we push the screen and slide it, we can find that it's with a QTWXY, QWERTY buttons. So this is very special, because we can control the device like a portable PC, and we can use the fixed buttons to control it, just like a mini PC. Yeah. Next, I will turn on the device to check some features as well, because this time this device is besides the high-end design and special features, have some special and high-end specifications, just like the Stream Deck. And it's okay, now it's already long. It's our AMD Radeon processor and 6800U GPU, AMD GPU, and also it support 32GB RAM plus 2T GB ROM. It support LPDDR5, and it also support the Steam OS. Yes, here when we slide it, push it, is have a 6-inch eye protector screen. Is supported 60Hz and 40Hz to refresh rate, and the screen is 16:9 1080p. The PPI is 368. And also when we turn on it, we can find it have a background light. There's a white light TWETY keyboard. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, like this. And also the LPS dual 3D joysticks. And also here for the game is to provide a big fan, just like the PC to use. It can, and also to use the copper fiber to reduce the heat air. It can improve the heat air reduce efficiency to up 50%, and also can reduce the air efficiency. Conduct higher the heat air 50% more, and also to reduce the heat air 35%. And also this time the provide special accessories is here is the 4G. Yeah, this is the 4G modular. Yeah, so with this we can support full band and full band 4G LTE, and you can play games as anywhere. So this is also pretty cool. We can try to open it here. Yeah, so this is the 4G modular. It's like this. Yeah, like this. Here. Like this, we can use the 4G modular. And also besides this, this dock is support Win4 charging smart station. It can be used as a the main PC. Yeah, it also support Wi-Fi 6, and also it support AAC dual speakers. So this is very nice products, and with some really special features here: fingerprint, mouse, English, yes. And also here, customize the back buttons, and also here the 4G modular. This is the 4G modular. It's cool. It's very cool, and with this start, you can also extend it to a station to connect to a screen. You can use this as a PC as well, a PC station. And also this device compared to the Steam Deck for the single core is enhanced 81%, and for the size is much smaller, and it's light 48%, because it's only 598, but the stack deck is 669, and it supports 32 GB RAM plus 2 TB, but the Steam Deck only 16. And also the battery and the capacity is 45.262 watt per hour, and also the Steam Deck is 40 as well. It supports two systems, Windows and Steam OS. So this is the main specification about this device. What do you think of such? I will say the design is so attractive, but the features are really attractive, really stand out compared to the other handheld with hands-on. So what do you think of such device? And now we enter the system. We enter the system. We check the specifications, settings, Windows Update, about. Here we can find the specifications, device name, the processor AMD Ryzen 7 6800U with RADM graphics, so 2.7 GHz, 32 GB RAM plus 2 GB ROM. It's for LPDDR5, and also it's have Windows OS installed, and also here we can find the virtual mouse here. Yeah, we can press this to to use the mouse, and also here is a fingerprint. Also the 2 customized back buttons can be mapping and coding, so this is pretty cool. And it's also the transparent buttons will be color changeable from time to time, and have a dual Type-C first here, dual Type-C dot, and one can be charging and one can connect to the screen. And also this 3A game handheld can connect to 40 gigabytes through Wi-Fi 6. And also the joysticks, they use the flagship joysticks, and also the AAC dual speakers can get good feedbacks and the motor shock feedbacks from the device inside. And also the theme support the Play Night OpenOS front, and also the Steam OS we can find here. The Steam supported the Steam. Yeah, so this is a pretty cool product from GPD Win4, and also it's a very quick and very simple unboxing video about this device. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here, and bye bye. And last thing I will say is the lucky egg is the side screen, full size physical buttons, QWERTY buttons. We can use this as a mini PC for the office work here. Yes, this PC GPT explained. A Microsoft Edge. Yes. Search. Confirm. Here we can input H. Okay. Delete smart phone. Fan. Yeah. And so now we are not connected to the internet, but actually I can use this full-size screen keyboard to input the information I want, and also the screen is pretty nice, can be slidable here. So this is pretty cool products from GPD. So thanks for watching. This is the real end of this video. Bye bye.